Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are here today actually at Alejandro's place. We're installing a pretty sick little detail. It's very minor, very small, but it's gonna change the look of the car tremendously. I'll let Alejandro talk to you guys about the wing that we're installing. But yeah, so we're working on his 2014 Ford Focus ST. A very dope car, very nice little touches. As you'll see, I'll cue in some B-rolls. You'll see it looks really nice. That's what we're doing today. We're just doing a very simple install of his wing. He also has some window visors he wants to install, so we're gonna do that too as well. And I think these little parts are gonna change the car a lot. What we're gonna do is we're gonna install the wing, but we're actually gonna show you how it's done too as well. Hopefully that gives you guys for other Focus owners a little tutorial of installing a wing and possibly also installing some window visors too. So yeah, we're giving this to you guys, so stay tuned. We're gonna cue in some B-rolls too as well for the after, which is I know it's just gonna look sick already. Cool, stay tuned.
We're installing the Delta styling wing. It's from Britain actually. It's an OEM plus look for the car. I chose the wing actually for the OEM plus look. If you guys, I'm sure you guys are gonna put a B-roll, but if you look at the diffuser, the lip, and everything, it does give it an OEM plus look for the car. So the wing that I got actually, it's normally it's all primed. I asked him to get the color match. If you look at the wing, I'm sure you're gonna put B-rolls. Has a nice little sparkle tint to it. It matches with the car. It was an extra cost, but it was the same price as the shop, so I just got it. Yeah, I matched it properly.
So we are about to start the install. Very straightforward. Check this out. Alright, so we already took off the cover here. This one is just a matter of popping off, in other words. So, break the plastic though. There we go. Damn. Okay. We did not break the plastic. Perfect. So what I'm doing right now is just removing the three 8mm bolts that hold it in the middle here. Oh shit, that was loose. That was like finger tight.
Before you take off the other ones, you want to take off the third brake light?
Oh, we have to remove it?
Yeah.
You need a T20 to basically remove the two bolts, the two screws that are here. Oh. There goes the key. There we go. So right now what we're doing is we're installing like these set screws for the mounting position. Installing window visors is pretty straightforward. 3M tape. Again, prep work is really important. So I just leave a little tab like that first, and we're gonna set it. sure everything lines up. Once everything lines up, you can start to pull this little tab here. Hey guys, so that concludes the installation of the Delta styling wing on Alejandro's 2014 Ford Focus ST. The installation process was really simple. Me and Gerald pretty much, it was like pretty easy to install, a few nuts and bolts here and there. We also got to install his window visors, which he had stockpiled for like over a year because of COVID-19, unfortunately. I really appreciate if you guys would thumbs up this video. Also, or like, comment, and subscribe. It really means a lot to us. We're trying to grow the channel to get somewhere eventually. We got a bunch of content coming out, so be on the lookout for that. A few challenges too as well here and there. So yeah, tune in. Thank you guys. Ciao. All right, so we're about to start.
How do my hands get so dirty?
Because of all the mosquitoes.
God.